Hi, I'm Kyle Burke, KenMor's Regional Safety Manager, and today we're going to talk about basic ladder safety. Ladders and stairways are used throughout construction sites to move personnel between work levels and to support work in elevated areas. When used properly, ladders and stairways are a safe means of access to a working floor. When used improperly, falls could result in severe injury, even death. Prior to each use, always inspect your ladder. Make sure you always use the appropriate ladder for the job. Check your labels, should be intact and legible. Check your rivets, make sure they're not loose or missing. Inspect your spreader bar, make sure that it locks in place. Inspect your side rails for any cracks, abrasions. Also check to make sure you have slip-resistant feet. Only 1A non-conductive fiberglass ladders will be used on KenMor projects. If you find a problem with your ladder, tag it out of service and report it to your supervisor immediately. Now that we know how to inspect our ladder, let's talk about some simple rules while using the ladder. Always keep the base of your ladder clear of any trash, cords, or other material that could cause you to trip and fall. Never position your ladder near a floor edge or stairwell without use of proper fall protection. Always face your ladder and use 3 points of contact while climbing. Never stand on the top 2 steps of a ladder. When climbing a ladder, never carry tools or material in your hands. Instead, use a rope or jet line to pull material or tools to your work elevation. Always face your ladder when climbing and working. Never overreach. Keep your belt buckle inside the side rails. And never use an A-frame ladder like a straight ladder. When using a job-built or portable extension ladder, make sure that it's set to the proper 4:1 angle and that you have at least 3 feet extending beyond the landing. A simple test to ensure that you've set your ladder to the proper angle: take your tape measure down 4 feet. Then mark the ground where your tape measure stops with your foot. Then measure from the back of your ladder to your mark, and it should equal 1 foot. Another good rule of thumb: place your feet at the base of the ladder and extend your arms straight out. You should be able to grab the rail without bending your arms. And always set your ladder up on a firm and level surface. When ascending and descending stairways, always maintain one hand in contact with the handrail at all times. Carrying a large object that blocks your view or prevents you from keeping one hand on the handrail while climbing stairs is a recipe for serious injury.
If you have any questions or concerns regarding the information presented in this video, please contact your supervisor.